How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are taking a look at the Brave 6 Plus action camera, and obviously this is a GoPro competitor but on a budget price. I will link it in the description box below if you want to know what the current pricing is, but we're going to go ahead, we're going to unbox this, we're going to get a close-up look of it, and then we're going to do some video test footage. Let's go ahead and take it apart and unbox it. Thing I must say, the presentation of packaging is very nice. This one just has accessories. We pull that apart. We've got the camera and a couple of different accessories. Let's go ahead and take the camera out first and take a look at that before we get to our accessories. So as you can see, it looks like it's in some sort of waterproof casing. It looks like the same as the GoPro as far as accessory wise. So that's really handy to have all the GoPro accessories fit on this camera itself. And we've got a couple of different buttons and options up top right here. And if we go ahead and take this right off, and we can see from the front, very nice looking camera. I can't wait to turn this one on, but let's get to our other accessories first. This one says number 2. And we've got the, looks like the battery charger, so dual batteries. Wonder if they include 2 batteries for you. Let's go ahead and find out here. We'll take this stuff apart. All right, so we've got a single battery right here. We've got another battery, so we do have 2 batteries, and we've got a little strap for you, and this looks to be like some sort of remote, so that's really cool. So we got video and camera, so it includes a nice little remote for us as well, which is going to be very handy. Let's go ahead and take number 3 out here and see what we have. So we've got some sort of sticky pad. Got a nice cloth. We've got another back piece. This one looks like one that's completely waterproof, so you won't be able to access the back screen. Another sticky pad, and it's a USB-C. Okay, that's perfect, USB-C. So we got newer technology in the camera, which is always handy. This one does say number 1. Well, I've opened it backwards, so I've done 2, 3, and then number 1, but that number 1 was near the bottom here. What type of accessories do we get here? Lots of different accessories that are included in here. So this looks like some sort of handlebar mount, which is good. This is another back casing, which also does have the tripod mount on it, which is super handy. So top and bottom tripod mounts. I really like that because that's what I miss on GoPros, is not having the tripod mounts. We've got some sort of other strap here, more accessories for it. Any GoPro accessories that you have is going to work perfectly fine for this. Here's another pad where you can mount somewhere, and it's got the sticky pad underneath. We've got more accessories as far as mounts and stuff goes. Here's another one which will go onto your tripod, which is always handy. Another one right here, which is another GoPro style mount. And this one right here, which is also a clip, which is super handy. So the amount of accessories they include, I'm actually quite surprised. Very happy. And here we can join the Akaso Go Club. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but we got that there as well. And a couple little stickers and stuff included at the bottom. And before we turn the camera on, I've laid out all the different accessories that are included with this camera, and I'm super impressed with the amount of stuff that they include for you. You don't have to go out and buy separate accessory packs. Everything is included in this package all at once. And getting a closer look up at the camera itself, this is how it comes within the package. We're gonna go ahead and take this apart right here, and we're gonna get a look at the actual camera, which is just right inside of here. And here's our actual Brave 6 Plus. It's got a little cover on here for our lens. We'll go ahead and take that off. So we do have the button just right at the front right here. If we go onto the side, looks like this is probably where our battery goes. So we're gonna go ahead and insert our battery right here. Let's go ahead and put that in right now. And we'll just seal that closed right there. There we go. And we look on the back of the camera, it's just the whole screen. And then on the top, we've got, looks like an up and down, and then a shutter on off switch. And on our side right here, looks like we've got this speaker right there. And we'll go ahead and take that off. And then we do have a, looks like a micro HDMI. And then we do have the USB-C port, which is really good. Let's go ahead and see out of the package if it does turn on with the battery that's included. And I believe this will be our power button right here. So we'll go ahead and hold it. There we go. Akaso. So it does work. No SD card, that's one thing we do need to add to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab an SD card and then we're gonna test it out. And we are back, and I've grabbed a 16 gigabyte Samsung memory card, so nothing too crazy for now. And we're just gonna go ahead and put our memory card. You can see it just goes right next to the battery where the battery door is. We'll go ahead and throw that in right there. Just like that. And let's go ahead and power it back on now. And I do notice that there is a little bit of a plastic film on the back cover here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and that will make it look a little bit more clear. There we go, so we've taken that off. And we do have different settings as far as resolution. So there's 4K 30, 2K 30, 1440p 60, 1440p 30, 1080 90, 1080 60, 1080 30, 720 120, and 720 60. So some great options as far as slow motion if you want to get some really good slow motion footage, or if you just want to get some good 4K footage. We're gonna go ahead and do a video test. I'm gonna go outside, we're gonna vlog on this, so you'll get a sample of the sound and the 4K footage. Okay guys, we are now on the break. So me now editing this footage, I can see that the volume on this camera is very, very low. So you'll see the volume has dropped quite a bit now that you're watching the video footage from the camera itself. So microphone volume, not good, but the actual 4K footage is excellent. So continue watching for this 4K footage. Wave 6 Plus, and we're doing an outside video test in 4K at 30 frames per second. The audio you're hearing is from the actual built-in audio. Don't have any external audio attached, so the audio is probably not going to be that fantastic. Let's go ahead and kind of walk around. We do have image stabilization turned on, so I'm actually going to kind of walk around in a circle, and I am jiggling a little bit so you guys can get a good idea of what image stabilization does for us here. And it's fairly shady where I am right now. Let's go ahead and walk into the sun area. And there we go. So now you can see how does it expose, or how does it adjust to me being like I'm super put into the sun right here. We'll walk back into the shade right here, and we'll look this way so you guys get a good idea of what 4K 30 video footage looks like, as well as image stabilization and the built-in audio. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.